A laptop is an essential tool for modern life, providing convenience and flexibility for various tasks, whether for work, school, or leisure. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable laptop allows users to stay connected, access information, and complete projects on the go. With numerous options available, finding an affordable laptop under $500 is easier than ever. Many budget-friendly models now feature impressive designs and hardware specifications, ensuring decent performance without breaking the bank. Whether you need a secondary laptop for travel or a primary device for daily use, there are quality choices that cater to your needs without compromising on functionality or style. In this guide, we explore the best budget laptops under $500 currently on the market. Check out our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 8. Chromebook 514. The Acer Chromebook 514 is the best touchscreen option for those looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Known for its premium design and sharp 14-inch display, it delivers a high-end experience at a budget price. The Chromebook weighs just 3 pounds, making it extremely portable. It also has a backlit keyboard for working in low-light conditions, adding to its premium feel. One of its standout features is its battery life, boasting up to 15 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for students or professionals on the go. The Chromebook runs on Chrome OS, optimized for web browsing, productivity, and content streaming. While it features an entry-level MediaTek Companion 828 chip, the 8 GB of RAM ensures a smooth user experience. However, the 64 GB storage might be a bit limiting for those looking to store large files. Number 7. Vero 514 Chromebook. Acer's Vero 514 Chromebook is an eco-friendly, high-performance laptop. This model is made with recycled plastics, giving it a unique speckled finish that's visually striking and durable. Weighing just over 3 pounds, the 14-inch Chromebook is incredibly portable and offers up to 10 hours of battery life. The Chromebook Vero 514 runs on a 12th generation Intel Core i3 processor, making it fast and efficient. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage, this laptop is equipped for web browsing, productivity tasks, and light app use via the Google Play Store. Its backlit keyboard adds to the premium experience, perfect for nighttime or dimly lit environments. Although the laptop lacks a touchscreen, its sleek design and impressive performance make it one of the top Chrome OS options available for under $500. Number 6. Inspiron 3535 Laptop. Dell's Inspiron 3535 is an excellent gaming laptop under $500, offering a smooth gaming experience with its 120Hz display. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 processor and Radeon graphics, the Inspiron 3535 handles most games and everyday tasks with ease. With 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it offers more storage and faster performance than competing laptops in this price range. Its speakers deliver impressive sound, and the backlit keyboard, complete with a number pad, is ideal for both work and late-night gaming. Although it lacks Wi-Fi 6 for faster internet speeds, the laptop's vibrant display and solid build make up for it. Number 5. VivoBook 14 PC Laptop. Asus's VivoBook 14 stands out for its sleek design and lightweight build, making it one of the best budget laptops for everyday use. Priced below $300, it includes features usually reserved for pricier models, such as a backlit keyboard and a fingerprint sensor for added security. With a 14-inch Full HD display, the laptop provides a sharp viewing experience, enhanced by an anti-glare finish. The VivoBook 14 comes with 4 GB of RAM and an 11th generation Intel Core i3 processor, making it suitable for tasks like web browsing, document editing, and media streaming. However, its performance can slow down when multiple apps or browser tabs are open. Battery life is decent at up to 8 hours, though it may not last a full workday. For budget-conscious users, it's an excellent option. Number 4. Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop. The Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim is an excellent choice for those who need long-lasting battery life on a budget. This laptop, priced around $250, offers up to 12 hours of battery life, making it perfect for students or professionals who need a reliable device for a full day of work or study. The 15.6-inch display is bright and easy to read, and its keyboard feels premium for the price, featuring a number pad for added convenience. Despite its plastic build, the laptop is well put together, though it can feel slightly bulky. It comes with an Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB SSD. Number 3. Surface Go 3 PC Tablet. The Microsoft Surface Go 3 is a versatile 2-in-1 tablet that delivers good performance at an affordable price. Starting with 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM, this device is ideal for light productivity tasks like web browsing, video streaming, and document editing. Its compact 10.5-inch PixelSense touchscreen is perfect for portability, and the front and rear-facing cameras both support full HD video for high-quality video conferencing. The Surface Go 3 is powered by an Intel Pentium Gold processor, which is sufficient for everyday use. While the keyboard cover and Surface Pen are sold separately, they are highly recommended to unlock the full potential of this device. For anyone looking for a portable and elegant device, the Surface Go 3 is a solid pick. Number 2. Aspire 3 A31524PR7VH Slim Laptop. The Acer Aspire 3 Slim Laptop is a budget-friendly option that punches above its weight. Weighing less than 3 pounds, it's impressively portable for a 15.6-inch laptop. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, the laptop is ideal for everyday tasks like web browsing and productivity apps. The 128 GB SSD ensures quick boot times and file access, while the 8 GB of RAM allows for efficient multitasking. Number 1. Aspire 3 Spin 14 A3SP14 Convertible Laptop. The Acer Aspire 3 Spin 14 is the best overall convertible laptop under $500. Its 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display rotates 360 degrees, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i3 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD, offering solid performance for everyday tasks. It also boasts 10 hours of battery life, perfect for long work or study sessions. Despite its slim profile and lightweight design, the Aspire 3 Spin 14 includes plenty of connectivity options, including USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI ports. The only downside is its 720p webcam, which falls short of expectations for video conferencing. However, its versatility, reliable performance, and affordable price make it the best choice for those looking to upgrade on a budget. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.